In this video, we'll show you how to manage Mailroom users on the app. Users are people who handle deliveries, such as mailroom staff, receptionists, concierges, and others. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to add, edit, and delete users on the mobile app. Let's start by looking at how to add a user. Press the Manage button at the bottom of the screen. Press Users, then press the plus button at the bottom right of the screen. Type in the user's first name, last name, and email. Next, you can specify the user's type. All user types can log parcels in or out. Normal users, admins, and owners will be able to view parcel history and view and edit recipients. Admins and owners will be able to edit notifications, site access, manage users, and toggle features. Owners have the highest level of access. They have access to all sites by default. Users can only switch sites if they have access to them. You can also specify the site a user can access. Press Save to create the user. This user will receive an email with a link to set up their account. Next, let's see how to edit and delete an existing user. Select the user you want to edit. Press the pencil button in the bottom right corner. Now you can edit their information. Press Save to save the changes. To delete a user, press the red trash can button in the top right corner of the edit screen. You can also delete a user from the list by swiping right on their name. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, check out our tutorials playlist.